Welcome to a new video. Today's tutorial will explain how to repair a Nissan radio fitted to several brand models using Minitools part SEPDISP44. For this repair, you will need a large Phillips screwdriver, the spudger, the pliers, the desoldering braid, the soldering iron, a small Phillips screwdriver, Minitools part. Position the radio as shown and remove the Phillips screws to disassemble the support tabs for the housing in the vehicle radio compartment. Prise open the small plastic clips on all four sides of the front panel. Release the front part housing the display. Remove the 6 small black screws on the board using the small Phillips screwdriver. Release the display board from the plastic part. Detach the black tape securing the flat to the PCB. Open the connector using the spudger and disconnect the flat. Use the desoldering braid to release the front frame. Now grasp the metal tabs using pliers and turn them so that they are horizontal to allow removal of the metal frame securing the display. Take off the original display. Remove the protective film from the rear side of the display. Place the new display in its original position and remove the film from the upper side too. Refit the metal frame. Reconnect the flat cable. Solder each of the 4 tabs as shown. Then, retighten the display board to the plastic part of the front panel. Lastly, position and secure the metal housing tabs. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store at minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools to repair dashboards. Thank you for choosing Minitools.